Hello, today we're doing sweet chili Dorito chip tea. Here's all the things you'll need. Just casually toss them on your strawberry board. To start, dump 12 metric tons of Doritos onto your plate. Next, fill your glass with just a little bit of water, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. Now here comes the fun part, smashing up the Doritos to make tea leaves. I use these gummies. Make sure to take out any aggression you feel against friends or family here. That way they don't come out during dinner parties. Now, grab them up in your hands, like all of your worries, and dump them down deep inside the water, like you do every day. Tea just isn't tea if it's cold, so we're gonna microwave it. Start by opening the microwave door, picking up the glass, putting it inside, and then, I guess closing the door. That's optional. I do 60 seconds on the highest temperature, and then hit start. Sometimes I like to step back and admire my work. Just look at the glass spinning. It's mesmerizing. Actually, so are those numbers ticking down. I never noticed how mesmerizing those can be. Let's take a closer look at it. I'm very intrigued how numbers work. Oh, would you look at that? Time passed real quick. Looks like this is almost done. Timer's about to go off. So let's go ahead and take it out and get to mixing the drink. Oh, look at those lovely globs of Doritos. Make sure to mix till it's a completely non-homogeneous mixture. You want it clumpy and spicy, just like me. And there you have it. The lovely sweet chili Dorito tea recipe. Look at that golden amber hue and the little flakes of Doritos floating at the bottom. Nice. The soggy Doritos give it the exact texture you're looking for. It's like a warm summer's day, chewing on a sponge.